nasa stage pa rin kayo ng inyong research na hindi pa kayo marunong tumingin ng legit versus hindi legit, or ultimately yung mga scam, or halimbawa naman ay networking pala, hindi naman pala tunay na online work, wag muna kayong mag-apply as freelance. I have seen a lot of people join or train in mga aspiring freelancers na nakikihype lang, but when they see how much work needs to get done, bigla silang ayaw na nila. You see, freelancing is not for everyone. Una sa lahat dito, bawal ang tamad, bawal ang tanga, at bawal ang ine-expect nila is sa kaunting galaw, meron na kagad maraming mula. Itong comment na to, this was commented sa video ng training namin about the Revamped Basic Work From Home Training Program, and ang daming sessions nito. 2 hours per day, Mondays through Fridays, 6 to 8 p.m., 10 sessions siya. And sobrang overview lang talaga yung ibibigay sa inyo tungkol sa different roles na pwede mong gawin as a freelancer. So the first 2 days would be an introduction, ano ba yung freelancing, ano yung working from home. And then after that, you would have 8 sessions with 8 different mentors na ipapakita nila sa inyo kung ano yung ginagawa nila, paano sila naghahanap ng clients, and sa anong skills ang kailangan meron ka if you want to focus on that particular niche. After nun, magkakaroon ng application book, tuturuan kayo online kung paano mag-apply, and then kailangan yung kumpletuhin yung lahat ng requirements bago kayo makapag-schedule ng one-on-one with me. At hindi pa natatapos doon. Yung one-on-one coaching ninyo with me, kapag hindi at par yung inyong performance, feeling namin ay meron pang kayang i-improve, or meron kayong mga tinatawag na homework, ganyan, uulit kayo. And that is okay kung decided talaga kayo. You see, the problem is, kapag naranasan na nila yung kung gaano kahirap yung merong revision of work, or kung gaano nakakainis yung may meeting ng ganito, tapos mamumove ng ganyan, maraming sumusuko. So, dun pa lang sa part na yon, makikita na namin kagad kung decided kayo. That is exactly what a freelancer does every single day. Nagwo-work kami, meron kami mga clients, magbibigay sila ng feedback, babaguhin namin yung ginawa namin. Meron naman administrative work, so dire-diretso, very repetitive yung task, paulit-ulit, it becomes boring. At times, kahit tulog ka na, kaya mong gawin, kahit pikit, kaya mong gawin yung ginagawa mo. Meron din namang mga role na nakakaubos ng pagkatao. I think kailangan nating mas mag-raise pa ng awareness sa ating kapwa Pinoy na kahit na nakikita ninyo na parang ang dali-dali nung ginagawa ng ibang freelancers online, kumikita sila, mag-asawa, nasa bahay lang, hindi ganong kadali na masustain ang business na to. Freelancing is not for everyone. So kung nandun pa lang again kayo sa stage na hindi nyo pa alam kung paano mag-check kung legit ba na work from home yung ino-on, wag muna kayo mag-enroll.